Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today we shall be looking at basic attention token versus US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. First of all, we need to identify the horizontal area sensitivity, the upper and the lower zone buy sell pressure. Now, we can establish that this is a moving uptrend through higher highs and higher lows. We can see the market has been making new lows and new highs from here all the way to here. We see new highs. We have high here, higher high, higher high, and higher high. Now let's draw the horizontal area sensitivity. We have a resistance there. And we have support here. Nice. Now you can see we are in a high time frame consolidation here. And what does this mean? We have the sellers protecting the upper zone and the buyers protecting the lower zone area sensitivity, keeping the price in consolidation. Now, are we going to buy or sell the market? The correct answer here is we don't know yet. It's difficult to tell because there's no clear indication. You cannot buy or sell when the market is in consolidation. And you may ask, where do we go for confirmation? We go to price action for confirmation. Now, we will use support, resistance, and trend line, or even Fibonacci to shed more light. Let's do the trend line, sorry. Let's do a trend line here. Now, let's grab the fib and look for the magical area, which is 61.8, and wait for rejection or pullback. This is our magical area. The market is at the magical area. Now what we need to do here is wait for rejection or breakout. Then you can enter the market. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.